Yo, welcome back to the channel, guys. We are drifting with Doc Drift today and a couple of drift time guys. We're just hanging out, banging some doors, and having a whole bunch of fun. So we're about to head over to the MEIHAN track, test out these new Gravy Garage cars, and have some fun. Jesus Christ, dude. Talk about close.
I missed my gear.
This thing has a turbo LS in it. So
Love it. I love it. I really do. It's like I'm home, but just in the wrong hand drive.
Bruh. Oh, you in the wrong hand That was sick.
A few moments later.
I gotta try something. There we go. That's why we got neck effects for, right?
Is it only the one door that goes up?
You know what? Let me check.
Surely they've done the other one. Surely. Nope.
That's on the call.
Oh, yep. There's the bonnet. Door.
Yeah.
Seems like that's it.
Yeah.
Bruh, you wouldn't even get through that door. Like, look at the size of the fucking gap.
Yeah, you're fucked. You are
You
totally
ain't getting in
fucked.
that. Good.
Oh my god, I didn't think about it. I can't see shit. Thank God for the dark lines on the road. Let me close this goddamn door. I can't see shit off the straightaway. Okay. Damn.
Yeah, that was sick. You hit that nice. You see why I like this thing now, right?
Oh yeah.
It's just so easy to drive, man. It's like so enjoyable. It's cheating.
Oh shit.
Oh, I thought you missed
Oh my god, there's no way. No fucking way. Shit doesn't make sense. I must have killed the shit out of you, huh?
I was looking back to take that was ridiculous.
Damn, the turbo on that car sounds fucking insane. It sounds like a Dyson.
Quite a cool livery on that.
Oh my god, bro! You're a vacuum noise.
Oh.
No, dude! Oh my god!
First gear.
Oh, it's all good.
Coming in hot.
god, he's just ripping it.
This is fucking insane. Oh, fuck the Miata.
Mark II yet?
A few moments later.
Ben, I know you've seen that. Fucking completely ass backwards, bro. How, bro? Doc, come on, bro.
Yeah, that was pretty fucking good fun, man. Don't forget to save your replay, and you can
Oh,
click
yeah.
for it.